Imagine you're scrolling through your social media feed and come across a captivating video. It's vibrant, full of energy, and feels almost like a work of art. What if I told you that creating such visually stunning content is now as easy as taking a photo? Ever wondered how influencers and content creators manage to make their videos look so professional? The secret might lie in an app called Neon. In today's digital age, visual content is king. Whether you're a budding content creator, a small business owner, or simply someone who wants to elevate their social media game, Neon offers a powerful toolkit to help you achieve your goals. Neon is a mobile app that allows you to add dynamic effects, animations, and music to your photos and videos. It's like having a mini production studio right in your pocket. Key features. Let's dive into some of the key features that make Neon a must-have app. Effects. Neon offers a vast library of effects, ranging from subtle filters to eye-catching animations. You can add neon outlines, glitters, sparkles, and more to make your content stand out. Templates. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the creative process, Neon provides pre-designed templates that you can customize to suit your style. Music. Add a soundtrack to your videos with Neon's extensive music library. You can choose from popular songs or create your own custom playlists. Text and stickers. Enhance your content with text overlays, stickers, and GIFs. Neon offers a variety of options to personalize your creations. Export and share. Once you've finished editing your video, you can easily export it in high quality and share it on your favorite social media platforms. How to use Neon P. Using Neon is incredibly simple. Here's a quick overview of the process. 1. Import. Start by importing your photos or videos from your device's gallery. 2. Edit. Explore the various effects, templates, and tools to customize your content. 3. Export. Once you're satisfied with your creation, export it as a video or GIF. 4. Share. Share your masterpiece on social media or with friends and family. Benefits of using Neon. Beyond its impressive features, Neon offers several benefits to its users. Accessibility. Neon is easy to use, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. Creativity. The app encourages creativity and experimentation, allowing you to express yourself in new and exciting ways. Professionalism. Neon can help you create professional-looking content that will impress your audience. Engagement. Visually appealing content is more likely to engage your audience and drive interactions. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, Neon is a valuable tool that can help you elevate your content game. With its wide range of features and user-friendly interface, Neon makes it easy to create stunning visuals that will captivate your audience. So, what are you waiting for? Download Neon today and start unleashing your creativity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.